How to change iPhone battery color. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. It is important to know that Apple does not allow you to manually choose any battery icon color on an iPhone. However, the battery indicator can change color automatically in certain situations. So if you are charging your iPhone, then you will see a normal green color battery icon on your iPhone. If you remove it from charge, then you will see a white or black option depending on your wallpaper and interface, which is the standard battery display. And if your iPhone battery is very low, then you will see the red battery icon. And if you put your iPhone to low power mode, then you will see yellow battery icon. So in order to change your battery icon to yellow, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on battery and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for low power mode. And with this, as you can see, your iPhone's battery icon is now yellow in color. So this was about how you can change your iPhone battery color. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.